Monchumulikiriri bono nagukuaniri handonsi asobereta semarugoba ya bono chinga kichini kukualigania semesa ya mangana majia nyargo kumanyigati ya ritu abireto kukualiganiria kurasema mbia lingentambe oika chinse chikawanu chia bono maragoberekere ya ragire ense yemo litukule Jumatano saliki 14 muchinyukenda omwaka bwechiri bubere na merongebere nebere na mange habereka okolekana ajo asteri bwango chikuko sansa muranira ase marugoba ya bono nyirabono maiga jumure wenso omuske William Samuel Ruto kote abuna bana chebi na batano yomo mbachi komento na gotiani gwani gomojigo yo abako kolekana litukulia leno boigase chiri ya dala jambiri niko bana bacha kiremere bili ko bachora barayi ba gochigotenera chire yo ayo monenda mange na kwalganiri twimanya senchira yo boikirano. Isaranso ikumunchumulikiriria ulitokubwaterana nere kurasa muno abo imanyiriryo higakorwa Joshua Auta iriterana nchenkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha igoto kuchaka kurwa sensemo ya daraja mbili yo kutoka imiye kaunti ya Kisii ni gobono abaunchire kurwa sensemo yibacha kilomero bene kone kibuna nkoba chora barabarai au bago chigotene chire yo ase chinsemo au omuliki itobene mirded mumanyi negekirana ase chira daraja mbili anana sobo chori bwakolekana ase litukulya lero nagotwariganiryo roboti rokubwatia
Chingaki ense ya Kenya ya kolire obachori ase ebirogo au byoborai echirene ya daraja mbili ni gona barubwo baligania obachori elikoligia abarai korwa ase chinsemo ibere echo chire chinyeke gose serious na beba korwa ase chinsemo emerongebere nene obachori obwo ni gobwa koleka ase chire ya daraja ase abanchori ya bechinyeke na babogolia gose beba barobeka na gwaka chikura eliokonyora abateneneri babo buna akwera omo director bwechichiro Sakalimose.
Di sector chile daraja mbili chile 24 na ande unalichi koliko tebaria Kisii County Trade and Markets Act ya 2015 eta kere twa korobo choria sechichiro after ya kere miaka 3 ekere bachoriru igo buna intwe serikali ntobwa ati olito tagetenga no totagete aba na inchi gosaba gakore biashara daraja Register nero rabuno gosoa barabuna bubago chora into otokoro service okora wakia tikura asenjera yo bwasioku na asenjera yo bumaene aende tikura unachia kirukorumambia cinanyora mangana ande makongu abana biashara beto babo getekoro saa 12 abande no barenge gaiga otwacha katinsa isatu una twarwete litangaso migase tikure chiga otogane tinga tochore abana biashara batochorera abarai bali barakora magendero barabwaterana na serikali.
Tumejipanga vizuri na hii uchaguzi lazima ifanywe ndio tupate washirika wetu ambao wanaenda kuongea na gavana wetu mpya ili tupate muongozo mpya.
Ase ensemende nigo abaonya bande ase chinsemecho ibere bagikelia obachori obwo ase kelia buna mbate birikende gyonsi na igo nigo batugutera ale omoroberi oyo
neria twabokire bono mambi twanyorere ngeshida nero ese daraja mbili abantu nkorarambika bali amangana nara makama ke bakonya gukora gaiga batete gukora shortcut yo bochori kera bwakore tu last time etu atebenga boko ba 3 years baira ngocha tugambe ngakinande ichire ko bangubuya lakini bono baikeire sibangeire ko pikyo monto yomo bamoretire nganere bakobeka bo murai nakitware go sabango moga kasimbara ti omugabano itasari a intervene mangana yaiga arorenga kyo bochori obogotene nigu bobangubuya ko
ndo no bochori nturi yawe antomanyeti na ntue afanyi biashara titomanyeti obochori obunga kibopangire naende no bwa kibogo chigokorwa totaete kotebaiga mbuye pangwe abantu totagete na intwanya no mongino korunka neranyora asako akoneria nande toke nga omonto oli oteneneta namanyeto mongino oyo nga nasigeta akobera
egento gochigokana twakanire iga none president yakanite amangane chikatel etotagete simbara timna kwa swete kerogo muna kwa mureka abantu gali stadium na butokoligereti nane njutara chambiri nando bamureke
boigo nigo abanchoreria abo bairaribaga na kugania abarai bali barachorwe kubaikiraniria amagania abo buna abanchoreria.
Mimi ombi langu kwa uchaguzi wa leo, ningependa kama kiongozi atakayechaguliwa awe kiongozi wa soko moja, asiwe kiongozi mwenyako na masoko mengi yanaongoza. Pia mwenye anajali maslahi ya watu. Makofi hapo. Mwenye anajali maslahi ya watu wenye wanauza kwa soko, ajue kila mtu ni binadamu na anatafuta.
ginko reporteria egetaseni kia Ndizi TV lietaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Biamuno umulike itsobene Mildred Momanyi asorobotirwa senchira yoboyekera nugo tigana nere Mildred Momanyi ni gobono omuyega bw'omwerio bw'ogochengera obokorri bwaye omo principal bw'eskuru ya Nyamira Boazi wino obakokoreka nditukolia lera soko mwaligani mu principal omoya bw'eskuru eyo Charles Onyare oyogo chikogera abono eskuru eyo omulike itokurose county ya Nyamira Job Maange negekera na senseme yonna gotwaliganira roboti rokubwatia.
Tunasema asante. Ungedansi kidogo mwalimu.
Kera ekemokere no mochakano, nkere no mo erio. Omo chief principal Boaz Owino, nachengera ogotabokia entunda ya yoborai, ase omo chief principal Charles Onyari, airali bagalia ye ase sukuru ya Nyamira High School.
I've enjoyed working with parents in this school. The parents have been very proactive. You supported me in terms of paying school fees, for example.
Omworokia chief principal Boaz Owino nachengera litukeli ase atogia aboroki wana baiboli ase komobwatesia ase engakia yoborai.
So I want to take this opportunity to thank you for the support that you gave me when I was here. And sometimes you wonder how time moves. It moves so fast that even things that you thought you do, you may not finish them all.
Omworokia omonene omoya Charles Onyari nateba nachikogenderera nemeremo emia yogokinia ekerengo kia Nyamira.
Brother Owino from Kisumu all the way here. I've also seen the Kisii chair in Nyamira County, Brother Oira Chop. I want to thank you for coming. My community members and the parents.
Ekiombe kia aboroki gwa abakoro nkia motogia ase emeremo emia nagosege taboroki gwa gukora omokia.
In fact, it was through his words of encouragement and a vision advice that we were able to associate the association registered and integrated. We thank you, sir, for the support and being available for us whenever needed you all intervention.
Aboroki gwa aborokia mbasege twakobwatia omobwekano Boaz Owino.
And the class of Form 4 this year, give mwalimu the double digit meal. Thank you.
Kurwase County Nyamira, ginko reporteria Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Biyamono umulike itobene kurwase County ya Nyamira Job Maanga sorobotirwa senchira. Yoboyekera nugo tigana na yolitukeri mulyoka maega yomurewense William Samuel Ruto konyaragote abuna abana 15 yombachi comment waso konyaragoyekirania mange asobo koleri asensemeli yebegambero nigobona abana 15 no yomobatia ni walitukolia lero inse yomuna 15 moneli Jasmatha Kohome omulikito Brighton Makoli no robochirwa sinchira yoboyekera no
ase lituko lya kabere umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto nigo anyara kawikirana ase moyega bokubatiani abachachi batano nomo kawkwana kurwasa magacho aste dausi lituko lero nigo anyarire gakubadogi abachachi batano nomo ase meremo bagochi gokora.
As a country today we have a new set of judicial officials who will join the many who today are working for the people of Kenya as judges and judicial officers in different categories. Congratulations to the Court of Appeal judges. Congratulations to the Environment and Land Court judges.
Boigo nigo Ruto anyara kawateba bunemeremo nemenge erase kambero yeganyete abachachi abo.
As you are aware, there is huge expectation by the people of Kenya.
Boigo Ruto niganyare kaote abuna ya serikali yaye nigojikwena kimna ngosikere ebigambero amo nechinsemo chinde.
I want to assure you that my administration will respect the independence of the judiciary, will respect the independence of all the other institutions in a manner that makes them efficient to deliver on their respective mandates.
Boigo ni gorto anyara kaote abuna na jikwena kimna ngosira bale obokoreri bwebigambero amo nechinsemo chinde anekerate abuna chingwana na bochigo korekana eriko gayana ali arateke kurwa chinsemo ao.
We will promote dialogue between institutions and positive engagement so that we can all focus on how to take Kenya to a higher level. Whenever there are issues, there is always a mechanism for us to resolve whatever issues that may arise in the course of all of us discharging our separate mandates.
Boigo nigate abuna tarigo chiwanjirana ogotabwatiwa kwerichiko na bakenya abonsi.
We must deal firmly and decisively with impunity. Let me say this for the record, that Kenya can only be better if we become a country of the rule of law. Any other route leads to anarchy and confusion.
Ase abasaba Kenya bonsi kwena kibuna ngobwati bale lichiko ekiagera ondetayo ole igoro yelichiko.
So I ask all of us as Kenyans, we are all equal before the law and before our constitution.
Boigo nonye nere na nyaraka oteba nonye karo muraibwense nere taligoro yelichiko igo na chikolisika na kolibwati asenjera ebwenerete.
Even as president, I have limitations, and I should respect those limitations. And all other arms of government have their limitations, and we must all live within the bounds of our mandate so that we can have a country that is based on the rule of law.
Habachachi bali banyara bagotianigwa lituko lialero ngamona Weldon Goril, George Odunga, Hagire Musherure na Joel Ngugi. Abande banyara bagotianigwa ngamona Evans Makoli hamana Judith Omange abu batianigwa gochia sekambero kerikie bintu biri bitwetana ine. Ngolibota ligetaseni Candice TV iretariane Brighton Makoli.
Mbiyemono omuli kyo itobene Brighton Makoli asorobochirwa senjira yobo ikiranu bono gotigana na yotomulekira lyabereka gokolekana maiga yadana chepkamo yoyubono beteka goetera makongwa senseli ya Saudia maiga yokerena gocha sense ya Kenya na koreme chanda alenge goetera ni gobono airanire kirasi ya seganga yokogenda na masomo ase University ya Meru kolengano mu faisi chancellor korwa ase University ni gaene kirejo na gote abune Diana chepkamo moi bono ni gairanire kirasi aseganga yokogenderera na masomo.
You walked away from your dreams path to a new land, away from your loved ones, in search of greener pastures, not only for you, but also for your loved ones, your siblings. And for the media, you remember Diana was actually also responsible for paying even fees for some of our siblings. If we could change your experience, we would. And that's why we have decided to dedicate this morning just to tell you that we love you, we want to stand with you, and we want to work with you. So that one time, we also go outside there and change the world, impact the world, transform people, touch people's heart, and transform the community. Meru University of Science and Technology is here for you, Diana, and the rest of our students, our family, the main stakeholder we love so much.
Nago tigana na yu gati ya wamenyi kurwa segesa ku kia wa Masai ya nekura nsemo ya Transmara imeye kaunti ya Narok niko bono bate wera wakuchuko mbuwate murai wense William Samuel Ruto ane asoko ene kinkonyera warobo koribo isa ina nsemo ya Transmara wakura wa nomo bunge wense miyo manyekanete wuna Julius Nkuli kurwa se bunge ya Kirigores niko bate wera wuno kubwatera na kumurai wense yukore ramagendrogo ikasense yo Julius Nkuli uyo chorutu gweterase kyamma kiligia kanu buno mabunge wensemeyo negate runeganga yaye nene no kubwatirana na William Samuel Ruto erikone kenseme yabere kegotigwa magasense ya magendro nkonyara bale konyoro bokoreri wekerengo keigoro.
Na mheshimiwa Ruto sasa amekuwa president. Na saa zingine ninashangaa maisha vile inaendelea. Kwa sababu nikiangalia vizuri yule mtu actually tunajuana sana ni Ruto. Ukiangalia kwa maisha yangu ni mtu ambaye tunajuana ni nani? Ni Ruto. Na mimi siasa yangu ambayo mtasikia katika bunge haitakuwa radical politics. Nitaungana na nyinyi, tuendeni tusalimie rais na tumwambie agenda yetu. Tuwe kitu kimoja. Hata wengine wetu tukiwa tuna uko upande gani katika bunge lakini yeye ndio rais wetu.
So mimi nataka kuwasi jamii ya Masai tuingie kwa serikali ya rais ambayo amechaguliwa kutoka leo. Na watu kwa maana mimi ndio chairman ya Jubilee katika Narok County mzima. Mimi nitapanga ni wasanye wote viongozi alafu tupige mlolongo tuelekee kwa wapi? Huko kwa nani? Huko Karen. Ajua kwamba sisi ndio original watu ya Ruto.
Amatuka make maega yomo konyumo governor kurose county ya Kakamega Ayubu Zavula goteba wuna eretali mokonyumo governor kuneno mo governor oyo komokonyi sumo governor mocharuwe county yo ni gobono gati ya bamenyi kurwa ase county yo babere bagwesokia anene aso konyara komochi omokonyumo governor abwe county yo ase bate bire buna barobo buna abamenyi bensemejo wato koigwana wekerengo keigoro ego chinga kechi bate bire buna manganaye Ayubu Zavula oyore omokonyu mu governor se county yo abere kagote buna ego bataigwana inya serikali ye county ya Kakamega amangana wena yo bulimo nagote buna bune serikali ye county ya Kakamega okoigwana kwa baraini kukogenderete koinekiwa
hapa leo kwa ajili ya kuhakikishia wakaazi wa Kakamega na wananchi wa Kenya kwa jumla kwamba viongozi wote ambao walichaguliwa kwa kaunti ya Kakamega wako pamoja ni kwa ajili ya kufanyia wananchi wa Kakamega kazi. Zile porojo, propaganda ambazo zinaendelea, ambazo zinaonekana katika mitandao hazipo. Ni vizuri mwanafunzi yeyote kama anaweza kuwa na nafasi ama anaona porojo kama zile zikiendelea, jaribu kuacha mambo ya mitandao. Tuache mambo ya porojo, tuungane wananchi wa Kakamega County wote, tufanye kazi kwa pamoja.
Sisi kama viongozi wa Kakamega County tuko pamoja na kazi yetu tutafanya kwa umoja. Na tutafanya hii kazi ili tuwajibike kwa wananchi, tuweze kudeliver ndio tuweze kuona ya kwamba maendeleo yamefika kila maeneo. Pili, ningependa kusema ya kwamba vile tuko na sherehe kubwa hapa kaunti ya Kakamega hiyo Alhamisi, tunaalika wakazi wote na wananchi wote wa Kakamega County watoke kwa wingi ili waweze kuona vile kiongozi wao watakuwa wanaapishwa hiyo siku ya Alhamisi.
Nago tigana na yue county ya Migori niko ya bekirense mo shilingi milioni 95 na so kunyara kugura kigali komiche county yo echo chira chiko konyo bokoreri asense mu yokolengane serikali ye county ya Migori niko bate beruna kigali chinyinga se county yo ni go chisaregete ribonege ntokerere obokoreri ko banse anana sense mo yo botumeki we kigali.
We have budgeted about 95 million to purchase new vehicles for our CC members who are getting on board very soon. And we also want to let you know that we have several vehicles that are stuck at the garages, and we have budgeted for every department about 2.5 to 3 million each for maintenance of these vehicles. It's our desire that very soon the departments will start running up and about to ensure that the citizens of Migori get sufficient
Omugavana
service.
we county ya Makueni Mutula Kilonzo Junior niko wanarigani gatambo garukia yomure wense omusike William Samuel Ruto asogonyara kuligereri golidio bwoyo ase serikali yaye chinga kiechini gabo boy Ruto konyara kuligereri ya ligoliye chimbegu chirichi konyara gusimekwa eliabalemi konyara gokonyeka anase serikali yaye.
He has recognized, and which is true, that Makueni alongside other counties are suffering from drought, and we expect short rains. In those short rains, the government of Kenya should release subsidized seeds so that we can grow the fast growing crops that we can do in about a month or so, in the month of October, so that whilst the big farmers who need the subsidized fertilizer in the bread basket of the country, which is the North Rift, then the people of this southeastern region and ASAL regions particularly can get the benefit of subsidized seed, subsidized fertilizer, and alongside that, I welcome the idea that we must sit down with the national government to ensure that we mitigate the drought that is already hurting a lot of people in Makueni.
Nakotigana na roboti romenyi kurwa sensemo ya dondi je gotoka se county ya Siaya tukolia lero ni goba korokorobe kanogotinde kurwa senya getari enene ya Siaya ne asenke nyagetari yo goika senkayo mwana we miake 5 manyekante buna jenda oyo muberoye obete gotoka angenenge guyo rocheri tukire Jumatane iki yaita kolengana menji bensemi bagote buno mwana uyo munyaroko bwate miake 5 niga bete kagotacheru wanse gosaliwa no mwali yo kongentwa no muberoyo karutuwa aso rochoro mwasenseme yoni go bate birubuna ebirengo byobulendi asenseme ya sienensemo ya dondi nigo byerenense nakoganyo butuki boime gokorwa elienke yukonyara konyoro bwene bwabo igoro yogo itoko mwana we miake 5.
Recently, not too long ago, 3 security guards were killed here in this market where we are standing right now. Nothing has happened. We haven't had anything from the security. We haven't heard of any arrests. And now, today, we are just coming from Siaya mortuary to pick the body of our little girl, 5-year-old Jane. Jane was kidnapped on her way to school. On Wednesday last week, she was raped, she was strangled, she was killed and dumped by the river. We want justice for Jane.
Na ekiombe kiawa Isilamu wane kurwase kaunti ya Mombasa bakura wana Sheikh Omar Abubakar ni gobona wanya regote ambacho kumubwati murai wense ya Kenya William Samuel Ruto anasobo koribwaje gukwana kurwase kaunti yo ya Mombasa ni goba mwiraniri mbiyo murai wense asokonyara kwirani airport iri ya Mombasa na boigo asokonyara kubatiania abanachebi na bataro no yomo ali tukolia lero ni chingige kibago keire obokoribwaje William Samuel Ruto.
All the muftis across the country, from the national level to the world level, and Kenyan Muslims at large, to congratulate His Excellency Dr. William Samuel Ruto as the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya. I urge all Kenyan Muslims, as for now there are more than 10 million in the country, to support and to be in the government fully for the betterment and prosperity of our beloved nation, Kenya. I also like to commend the good start of this new government that we have seen from yesterday. The return of the port functions from Naivasha to Mombasa, the appointment of the new 6 judges, and the Police Autonomy Fund that has been established by His Excellency the President has shown a new good journey for the people of Kenya. They always say the earliest bird catches the worm, and the good day is experienced in the morning. And indeed, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Arap Ruto has shown it to all of us. Last but not least, we humbly request to meet His Excellency, our beloved and loved President, as we have some issues raised by Muslims from various counties under the office of the National Mufti that we have seen them to be so contentious for his attention.
Munchumurikiri bono nyoni gogendrete gotengera Ndizi TV tiganda koira go ikasense melia yechi goso ye timu ya Global Connection FC kurwase county ya Nyamira ni go banyarigania timu ya Bironga FC ase gosori ya Koebosani ase enkoyelia ensemo ya Nyanza Regional League ibono ya kolekana ase getiki ya Rigoma Green Stadium ase gosori yuni gobono timu ostimu chonsi cheru makale ase chigoli bera sebere maiga yo kwaligania gosori yo yake Bosani.
Namarita ngor ku calling Susana osema no monokroj je captain ya Global friendly ya lero na Birongo ya very friendly ngia elio kanyar kopake gutwali gania se mupira tukwate Nyanza Regional League weekend tukabwate kikao gaigari koma twanyara kobato gosoma metasi friendly bunechi no kulani egento twanyisa mire mangana mangirwa se Birongo rinde tunyara kobato kubo mupira we weekend friendly ya tutu mupira cha kabuya twa bato beka chigoli very first half toira na second half tugwate moral twaire twabekirchu olivere twaseko toira ni tutu yobono nyar ko bakora tutu
tigangira na limbo ya mono litangani sama litangoro ku Kevin Mose mchezaji wa Birongo United na ndebune captain ya Birongo United na appreciate sana mchezo tonyalire kwa kaga na Global FC obero mchezo muya no ngo itera no ene mbura ya chi ya twigeti ya twara match lakini twakire mchezo ro muya na ende twanyalire tokogoka gwikira bono iga umurari ntori ligi ende yonse sengencho ya omuchando wa sponsorship noro itobwate lakini nkonya gwaka tori chi friendly ne chi tournament chiretoro chiro rongo nya nkonyara tori togo chiaka na ndeto ire bikombe igo anene mono egento tolageti ne sponsorship
una bono konya to banga to akira masoesi chigwikibire charure magega to rest to akora magoso bono bo to une coach etare ngesiko ko tu ko ende to chizo kutoreke bise ke to go so se sub county to nyorenga to pikili players ya sama gosa ali to mente players
Munchumuri kero krabu no ngo yakero mo smole mangana majya century yobo yekranu ense ye moja bono margoba olitole kubwateranero gwetera sumunu bwimanyiriyo igakorwa joisho outana bwo kura sensemende chibicha monelioge igakorwa omosai James Walibons baikirania aonsi gokorekana century nkrano igonko bakirambia morgendera gotengera Ndizi TV gwetera same tendency ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na gensemelia YouTube na botonyera buna Ndizi TV News nyero nitukunelia Jumatano na boigo Jumatano botambe gotogotwara umurobelio weke umbuchiko ragaisa tochia bono botuko igogochukumera na John Kebati asemesa yamangana maya eliama gokoira eyamase mugoika sumurobelio weke umbutomera nelitukolinde literane nchenkoro Vincent Onyancha.